almost fainted.
What's that?
What? What? It's food for cars tonight.
You don't ever get tired of eating Smokies.
Nah, girl, it's free.
Okay, you know what? You go take a hot shower, and I'ma whip something up.
Keisha, you ain't gotta do all that. These niggas be happy with just chicken.
You can at least give them a home-cooked meal. I got you. Go ahead.
Sun is shining bright, feel the breeze out the window. Feeling good, shit, I might just cop me a rental. No insurance, so I gotta watch for incidentals. Few dollars to my name, so I'm never judgmental. Riding through my old hood, they still showing me love. Shouldn't even be here, gotta thank the man above. Swerving on the back street, gotta watch them potholes. Feeling kinda hungry, I just might get me some tacos. There's so many doing worse.
Damn. That was a long shower.
Whoa. When you start cooking like that?
Try it.
Damn. You did that? Look at that. I'm gonna go put my clothes.